Tim, and guess what? We've got another house going on the market in Foothill Ranch. Welcome to 19 Corozal. This house is awesome. It's gorgeous inside. It's got an incredible kitchen. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths plus 2 half baths. 3 of the bedrooms are en suite. It's got an office you can make into a 5th bedroom. It's a resort style backyard, pool, spa, barbecue, romantic sunset views. Let's go take a look.
Somewhere and he's laughing and I shuffle my slipperless toes to the kitchen. Still low to the ground, but high on living, and I know it's gonna be a good day.
So what'd you think? Hey, we're having a grand opening this weekend. Come see me poolside. We're having sandwiches and cold drinks. This house is incredible. Don't miss out. See you Saturday.
Waking up, I stretch my body and acknowledge the mix.